Hi guys, welcome to my channel Technical Issue. Today's topic how to make the banner of YouTube channel in pixellab. Let's go. First you have to go to albums and take this like photo, banner size photo. Here you can search in Chrome also, it will find. I will give link in description. You can download it and share this photo to pixellab. After sharing this like come home screen, you have to click right. After clicking right, take the third option here and here take shapes, and you have to adjust this here. All black color you have to adjust. Extra part means it will not set in your banner. See, you have to set exact that black color only, not more, not small. After set, you keep this with here. You can see how much it is. See, it's done. Now it's perfect and click right. Afterwards that choose color. I chosen this color. This color I choose. Next you have to take photo. You have to click here means that photo will come. I make this another big. See, it's now perfect. Downside it's looking. Now it's correct. And take important means your photos come. Here take your logo photo and click right, and you make small this photo in size. After making small, you can set this photo in your banner. I set, and next take text plus sign, and you have to write your channel name. Edit that technical issue. Correct. Okay. Next you have to set this here, and you go to size. You can make this size in big. I make this much size, and write next color of this. I take somewhat the color and background same become. I change my background color, this color into blue. I make it into blue color. Right. Next text color. I make text color in this color and I edit it. Okay, it's set now, and I click right and I change the style of that sample. In sample I take this one, and you have to set here. Take a size. I take size I taken. Right. Next color of this is I taken what color? Blue color. Blue color. I take this blue color. Or this color. Right. Next it's looking nice. I edit it in style. Right. Here the fonts I not want. Right. Next I have take the text, another text, new text, and I write here subscribe my YouTube channel, like, share and comment. Okay. This you have to make style in. I take that size. It will set here. Right. Next I make here color. Pinkish color. I make this color. It's good. Its color looking dull. I choose that color in pink. Right. Now it's right. Next it has done. Now you have to, after this you can add image in banner. I keep this like only. Next I text of this I make 3D. Here is 3D. It's ad making. Right. It's over. Next I will save this image as, and before that click on three dots and image size select and you select YouTube channel banner. Okay. After this I make somewhat big. It's this much only. Okay. And next save as image, save in gallery. After that you have to go to Chrome. I set now only in front of you. See here upload and browser that here came. Done. Publish. And now we see in YouTube. See here it will set. See, you can see here technical issues. Subscribe my channel, YouTube channel, like, share, comment.